Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cheese Yopokki. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 150 grams of cylindrical Korean rice cakes, which are the heart of this dish. For that signature spicy kick, grab 2 tablespoons of gochujang. And of course, for the cheesy goodness, prepare 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. We'll also use a few other pantry staples to build our amazing flavor. Now, let's create the incredible sauce that makes Yopokki so irresistible. In a bowl, combine your 2 tablespoons of gochujang with 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, pour in 1 cup of anchovy broth or plain water. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth. This flavorful base is crucial for a truly authentic taste. With our sauce ready, it's time to cook the rice cakes. Pour your prepared sauce into a pan and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once simmering, add your 150 grams of rice cakes. If you like, you can also include some fish cakes for extra texture. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the rice cakes are wonderfully soft and chewy. For the grand finale, let's add that glorious cheese. Reduce the heat to low and generously sprinkle your 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese over the bubbling Yopokki. Cover the pan for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the cheese to melt into a gooey, delicious layer. Garnish with some fresh green onions or sesame seeds, then serve your homemade cheese Yopokki immediately. Enjoy every spicy, cheesy bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.